We got the cul-de-sac to live out all those childhood dreams. Running routes, climbing trees, just being outside again. You don't have to be a trillionaire to buy a home on Trillium Place, but it wouldn't hurt. And remember, you can renovate a kitchen, but you can't install a creek. Upstairs, 3 beds, 2 baths, plus a bonus bedroom and bath downstairs. With a walkout finished basement, garden space, and your newly covered patio with freshly finished steps. You ever had this much fun cooking at your house? You can now. You know what to do to make those home wishes come true. And if not, don't worry. You'll get another shot in 20 years when they sell again.